Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how to sign up for Progressive Insurance account. So let's go ahead and dive in straight into the video without further ado. The first thing to do is to open a preferred web browser of your choice. In the search box, type in progressive.com and search. Doing so will take you to the official site for Progressive. From the main homepage, go ahead and click on the login button at the top right hand corner, which will take you to the login and the sign up page. If you already have an account, you can go ahead and enter your user ID followed by your account's password. If you don't have an account yet, click on this register link at the bottom of the screen. Now, you'll need to create your account. First of all, go ahead and enter your policy number and it'll start matching you to the policy number. On the next field, enter your last name. Right where it says date of birth, mention your date of birth correct. Right where it says mailing zip code, you'll need to enter your zip code. After you are done filling in all of the boxes, click continue. Follow through the on-screen prompts till the end. You'll need to go ahead and select the coverage option that suits your need on the next page. Simply go ahead and review the policy details and the terms and conditions before finalizing your purchase, and then after completing the sign-up process, you'll receive confirmation on your new Progressive Insurance policy and you'll be able to sign up for Progressive Insurance right away. So that's how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon in the next episode. Goodbye till then.